that are fixing to fight each other.
Okay, in the swamp of Louisiana.
Okay, he's ready.
I heard you've been talking about my mother again.
She doesn't dance good at all. Well, as I can, as you can see.
So, are you intimidated by my moves?
No, I'm my own.
You should be jealous. Your mom likes it.
She liked my moves too. I mean, your mom.
Oh my goodness, how could you say something like that?
You.
Come over here so I can kick you in the face. Yes! Come now!
Here, I'm coming.
Matt.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
I'm watching. She's just pushing me as you're fighting.
I was rubbing your chest.